Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a quick keyboard review. This time I got a mechanical keyboard from HP. It's the GK100. I've done HP GK400F review in the past. You might want to check them out if you're interested. But this one looks pretty similar. It is the same full-size keyboard as well. The box exhibits the product itself. It's got a glossy black finish, and here goes the tech specs. It's mechanical and 50 million key life, height adjustment, and it's got a mechanical switches. Duh. This one came with blue switch. It's not Otemu, Gateron, or those usual switch you found in the market. They have their own proprietary switches installed. Go ahead, pause it for more detailed technical specifications on the switch. So it's compatible with Windows 10 and Mac OS as well. You can pause the video for more detailed tech specs here. So I guess that's about it. Let's open this up and see what we got. By the way, this is a brand new, so I still got this HP seal on it. Nicely packed from HP. The keyboard also secured with this foam. Underneath we got the warranty card, the manual, available in multiple languages of course, product support information, and finally the keyboard. The glossy black finish really looks great. And I'll let you be the judge for the keycap font. This is the light indicator for num lock, screen lock, caps lock, and Windows lock. HP logo engraved above the arrows key. Now, check out this black glossy finish. This is highly subjective, but man, I love the way it looks. Now, let's check out the switch. The switches are Leobok. I believe it's just a cherry blue switch clones. The USB cable is non-detachable. The length is about 1.8 meters. You can adjust the height. There's also 4 rubber paddings. The keyboard weighed at around 710 grams and of course made in China. I forgot to mention that it also came with this keycap puller, but does not came with alternative keycap or additional switches whatsoever. Okay, so this is the keyboard connected to the computer for the first time. Please pardon the flickering, the keyboard lighting works perfectly. The flickering are there due to my camera frame rates is out of sync with the keyboard light. Now let's begin with the features. It's plug and play, no need for driver, anti-ghosting keys, Windows lock functions. I'll show you the functions combinations first. Function F9 is to mute. Functions F10 to decrease, and function F11 to increase the volume. Functions F12 to lock the entire key on your keyboard. Basically, it disables any input. You can unlock with the same combination. Next one is Windows key lock by pressing function, Windows, and L key. Let me do it once again. It's kind of stretchy to do it with one hand. Function, Windows, and L. Now the light is on. Basically the Windows key is disabled. However, you can still access Windows by pressing Ctrl Escape combinations. So I'll suggest you to always lock the Windows key, especially if you play a lot of online games. To adjust the lighting brightness, simply press functions and either down or up arrows. Once you reach the maximum setting, the light indicator will blink. There are 5 levels of brightness, by the way. You can also speed up the lighting effect by pressing functions left or right arrow key. Now let's get to the lighting effect. You can access it with functions and number keys from 1 to 0. Function 9 and 0 is reserved for your own custom slot. Another lighting effect also available with combinations of insert, hone, delete, and page up and page down keys. And it has got 4 effects to scroll on each key. So now I'm just going to show you all the lighting effects available briefly. Alright, that's it. Let's do the sound test. Alright, that's HP GK100. Thanks for watching.